The Afrikaner Weerstandsbeweging was founded by Eugene Ter Blanche and a handful of others in Transvaal in 1973. It was launched in direct opposition to the National Party because its members found the NP's race policy too liberal. Ter Blanche and his neo-Nazi organization also believed that the Afrikaner was a chosen people of God.
Lang leef die Afrikanerdom!
By the mid-1980s, the AWB was fast gaining a reputation for political thuggery. They disrupted National Party meetings and heckled speakers around the country. In the 90s, after the unbanning of the ANC, SACP, PAC and other organizations, the AWB started flexing its military muscle and threatened the government with war if the ANC ever came into power.
The intentions of the ANC is to destroy my people, to destroy everything in sight. My message to the ANC is never try to put your hands on this fatherland. We paid too dearly for it.
In 1994, on the eve of South Africa's first democratic election, there were a spate of bombings and acts of sabotage. This was a last desperate bid by the right wing to create chaos in the country.
As hulle die bomme moet ophou ontplof, dan moet hulle erkenning gee aan die volkerreg waarlangs elke volk homself mag regeer. Maar ek sê vandag, met die grootste stelligheid, kry ons nie 'n republiek nie, dan sal Suid-Afrika soos Guy Fawkes lyk. Binne 'n maand, die boere gaan hom totaal uitbrand.
Many of the right-wingers who planted bombs and committed other acts of terror were speedily arrested. At least 50 of them are still in jail today. Now the AWB and the newly formed Bond van Boere Krygsgevangenes want the TRC to speed up the amnesty process for their so-called prisoners of war.
Ek dink die AWB is die getuienis van die stryd. Die AWB het die selfrespek van 'n volk gered. Om nie eerloos en knakkeloos, dit wat vir hom heilig en dierbaar is, weg te gee sonder om weerstand te bied nie. My volk se geskiedenis is 'n pad van stryd en weerstand bied.
Ek en ook van die
Boeskrie het nie sitting op die generale staf nie en hy het ook nie toegang tot enige ander faksie van die hoofkantoor nie. Dit is so, sy gedeelte is baie klein. Hy het 6 maande daaraan gewerk en hy die bietjie wat hy gehad het ook al weggeloop. Ek kan nie verder oor hom praat nie, dit is kinder. Ek praat nie van ou tannies nie.
There's clearly a...
Ek is bereid om my lewe te gee vir dieselfde ideale waarin ek myself vasgeketting het, waarin ek my verbind het. Die ideale naamlik die verkryging van 'n eie vrye onafhanklike boererepubliek. Ek is bereid om my lewe te gee vir my makkers in die stryd. Ek kan nie verantwoordelikheid aanvaar vir dade wat nie opdragte was van die generale staf van die AWB nie. My posisie in die beweging is dat ek is die politieke leier van die AWB. Die wenkommando egter wat direk onder die generale staf val en hulle instruksies van die staf aanvaar, is ek nie voor verantwoordelik nie. Ek het my nooit ingemeng met die paramilitêre optrede van oorlog aan met die Waarheids- en Versoeningskommissie nie. Ek hoop en vertrou dat hulle alles in hulle vermoë sal doen om die skrydende onreg wat tans besig is, om dit uit die weg te ruim. Die onreg waar daar bykans geen regs is nog ooit amnestie gekry het nie. En waar ek het nie net 'n probleem met my mense nie, ek het ook 'n probleem met alle politieke gevangenes. As die regering werklik dit erns het met vrede in Suid-Afrika en versoening, dan moet hy die leiers wat in die tronk gesit uithaal. Die AWB en al die regsorganisasies het hulle nie skuldig gemaak aan enige dade van terreur in die volle regeertermyn van die regering nie. Nogtans sit sy mense nog in die tronke. Dit is 'n resep vir konflik en revolusie, nie 'n resep vir vrede nie.
In jou eie tyd, na jou eie teiken, vuur!
53-year-old Terblanche
Ons moes ons opponente beter gelees het en dan maar die Oosterhaal weggebly het. Ek het nie gedink dat boer se boer skiet nie. Dit was 'n ontsettende skok. De Klerk is 'n tragiese geval in die geskiedenis van die boervolk of van die Afrikanerdom.
Just like he still wants his whites-only Volksstaat. And his rhetoric has not changed with the times.
Ek maak my gereed vir die dag wanneer hierdie regering deur sy eie mense vernietig gaan word. Ek staan nog steeds by wat ek in die verlede gesê het. Ons stuur op chaos en wanorde en revolusie af. Die antwoord van Suid-Afrika staan duidelik geskrywe in bloed en in trane en in smart. In Oos-Europa en die wêreld vol. Gee aan elke volk die reg om vry te wees. Los die Tswanas dat hy vry is. Gee die Zulus hul vryheid in Zululand. Gee die boere grond waarop hy vry kan lewe. En dat ons dan naast mekaar kan leef in vrede.
Jy weet,
Johannesburg is a place where the war started. There are a majority of black people and people from foreign countries. They can have it with love from me.
Okay, so
It can be a state in a state.
so what does that leave?
Say again?
What does that leave? That leaves this area here.
Oh, that is the two republics of the Transvaal
Yeah.
and the Orange Free State. I'll write it in Afrikaans Vrystaat. Now, my friend, we can start to talk culture.
Just to make it a little easier to understand, I brought a small chart. A lot of these qualities are in black people and coloured people too. Can a non-white person be a Boer?
Never,
Never.
never. He can never be a Boer.
What about if he has all these qualities? Christian, God-fearing, accepts the elements, weather, toughness, pride, patriotism, sense of history, speaks Afrikaans, and he just happens not to be white.
It is not a matter of black and white, my friend. You really do not understand.
Why?
We are not Africans from Africa. We are white people, the descendants of the British and the Irish and the French people and the Dutch people. We are from Europe. You don't want me to rule those two Boer republics as the sole property of the Boer people. Look,
Can I make a distinction?
No.
I mean, 'cause I
No,
think-
you ask me the question
Okay.
and I answer it. No, definitely no. My task is to defend my people against the ideas to destroy my people.
Thanks for clearing that up. If I could recap, Christian, God-fearing, accepts the elements, the weather, toughness, pride, patriotism of being a Boer, sense of history, Boer history. Ideally should speak Afrikaans, not
You work
essentials.
very hard to come to the last point.
Yes.
Must be white,
Must
yes.
be white.
If we allow black people or non-white people to become Boer people, then it will be the end of the existence of the Boer people, because in South Africa alone, we are only 3.5 million against 40 million black people.
There's an exciting new country, a democratic country.
Exciting.
Yes, South
exciting.
Africa. And it seems
why,
like...
Why are you saying that? What is exciting? Exciting that the people who build the highways and the schools are not in the government anymore. It's that exciting. The
Yeah,
downfall,
see, I
the
feel like
downfall,
Mr. Terblanche, I feel as though
the
you're
downfall
lecturing, you're
of
hectoring me a
civilization
little
is
bit.
exciting for
Can we just lower the tone slightly?
No,
because of
no,
pride?
you are having the interview with me. I'll choose the volume of the tone. Do you
Okay.
understand me?
Yes.
Okay, then you accept it. And if you don't want to have your interview, take your cameras and go at my
Okay,
friend.
okay. Understood.
So, I'm not in court and you're not cross-questioning me, okay?
No, I understand that.
Okay.
No, I just
So
meant
don't try to be cocky, my friend.
I'm not trying to be cocky.
Yeah.
I'm really trying to establish some kind of dialogue.
You take another tone, my friend, and never tell me I must reduce my volume. I'm a Boer, and I don't need you or your publicity, my friend. All right?
I think it's obvious that we're not going to agree about everything. I would say, though, that I sense that you moderated somewhat in your beliefs, because years ago it seemed as though you were talking about armed struggle and predicted a civil war.
But I predicted that there will be a revolution between black nations in South Africa.
And so what does the AWB, your organisation, do at that point?
Oh, we will defend ourselves. We will not allow those forces
do you sort of grab your land then? Do you grab this area of the Transvaal and the Orange Free State?
Listen, I am not grabbing anything. I am entitled to my country.
That's what I meant.
No. You ask me what I will do, and then you decide to ask me if I will grab. Put off that camera, my friend.
Can I just shake hands and say thank you very much? You have a firm handshake. We're supposed to. Oh, that's.
What am I?
Why are you squeezing it so hard?
Am I not a man?
Yeah, meaning.
Meaning.
Am I not a man? Is that Shakespeare?
Niemand wat hier gewoon het in wit was, het het makkelijk gehad. Vrouwens en kinders is by Bloukrans en Moordspruit met asgaai deur boer. Sodat een asgaai twee wit mense aan mekaar vastgesteek het soos bykans met 'n speld. Ek sê dit baie, en daarom is ek heel waarskynlik onpopulair by die liberaliste, maar feit van die saak is, 27.000 kruisies dui uit die dorre aarde na bo en praat met God en die volk. Hier lê ons kinders, hier lê kampmoeders, hier lê 'n derde van die geslag, hulle is dood. En met daardie aanspraak is die AWP bereid om die dood tegemoet te gaan. Hulle kry nie ons land nie, ons sal die ANC gelyk maak met wapengeweld in hierdie land voor Hou hom met gebed, hou hom met arbeid, hou hom met organisasie, hou hom met die stem, hou hom met die koel, hou hom met die kanon, maar hou hom in Gods naam, want jy het geen reg om hom te oorhandig aan die communiste van die ANC. Dit is God se land, dit is gelofte land. En hulle sê die AWP dreig weer, ja! Ek dreig julle in die duidelikste taal, hou jou pote